Hello guys, welcome to Megabyte. I'm Freddy. And well, we're actually looking at the new graphics card from Zotac. It's a GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Arcticstorm edition, so it's made for water cooling. It's a really good looking card, no doubt, but it comes with the water block mounted on it, pre-mounted, and you get the barbs and you get the RGB, and it's really good looking, but what I can see from the videos and the cases I've seen it in, it's a really heavy card. It's sagging quite a lot, so you might want to brace it or something, for sagging cards ain't good. But anyways, back to the GeForce. It's got a 16+4 power phase delivery system, and it's got the power boost control chips that will help to reduce the noise ripple and the power fluctuations a whole lot. And it takes up 2 slots in your PCI dock, and it's 30 centimeters long-ish. As you can tell, I mean, it's lighting up great. You got RGB on the front and on the water cooling connection parts. So either way you have it standing or laying down, you're still gonna get the RGB effect out through your case. And it has a great design, both on the front and the back. It might be a bit over the top for me on the front, but still it's a pretty good looking card. You got 4,352 CUDA cores and 11 gig of DDR6 memory, so 11 gigs. It's gonna handle some games. It got a boost clock on 1575 megahertz, which is about 30 megahertz higher than the Founders Edition. You got 2 8-pin power connectors to deliver the power to your graphics card. You got 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, and 1 USB Type-C port. We don't know when they're gonna release the card for us to buy, and we don't know the price, but seeing that it's on Watercooled block 2080 Ti, gonna be pricey as hell. So yeah, be sure to check it out when it gets, and get ready to cough up a lot of money if you want it in your system. So we can't go get any real specs on it. We can't try it because we don't have it, but we can drool of the awesomeness that is Zotac Arcticstorm. Yeah, good looking card. Nice little release here. So they had it on CES, which was a fairly long time ago, but still, I thought I would just bring it up to you if you missed it. The Zotac Arcticstorm, great water cooling block, only for water cooling. So if you have a water loop and you like RGB, why not, guys? Why not upgrade your PC to a new 2080 Ti? But I usually post a link for the product, but we can't, so I'm gonna link some other Zotac graphics card for you to check out and roll on or buy if you like one. So yeah, hopefully we can do a better review when it's out. So I'll see you in the next one.